Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see Mega Kit 025 digital traffic signal. Digital traffic signal is an advanced traffic signaling system which indicates both the times stop and go on single display. The indicator counts down for two separate set values, one for stop and other for go. Conventional red LED for stop and green LED for go is also provided. Now let us see how it works. First we will connect 12 volt DC supply to the circuit. Now set the on and off time. It is set for 3 seconds on and 9 seconds off. Now let us see how it working. It is 9 second red LED will be on, and for 3 second green LED will be on, and the cycle continues. Now let us see the circuit diagram. In this advanced signaling system, the indicator counts down for two separate set values, one for stop and other for go. Conventional red LED for stop and green LED for go is also provided. Single digit up-down counter is formed by synchronous BCD up-down counter with a synchronous preset IC2 CD 4510 BCD to 7 segment decoder with latch and display driver IC1 CD 4543 and common anode display LT542. The counter is used in down counting mode. A crystal control clock is wired around clock generator IC6 CD 4521 along with R16, R17, C2, C3. The counter divides the frequency 2^23 to give exact 1 Hz frequency at pin 14. These pulses are fed to counter through NAND gate N8, whose another input is connected to the output of the counter pin 7. Normally pin 7 is high and the counter gets pulses from the clock and it starts counting down. When the counter reaches 0, the output pin 7 of the counter goes low, so the clock pulses will stop reaching counter input pin 15 of IC2. The counter output is also connected to pin 14 clock input for the decade counter IC3 CD 4017 through the inverted output from the NAND gate N5. So for each output pulses from the counter, IC3 advances one step in 10 outputs. Pin 4 of the IC3 is connected to pin 15 reset pin of the IC, so that after every 2 pulses, the counter will reset on the third pulse. Pin 3 and pin 2 of the IC3 give alternate output. Red LED for stop and green LED for go are connected to these outputs. These outputs are also connected to the common terminal C of the BCD thumb wheel 1 and thumb wheel 2 BFD output of these thumb wheels are gated by D1 to D8, and common BFD output is used to preset the IF2 FD 4510. So when the counter output toggle, the preset input of IF2 also toggle from thumb wheel 1 to thumb wheel 2. The counter output is also used to create a short duration pulse by using R15 C1 with the help of N1, N3, N4 NAND gates to reset the counter. So when the counter counts down to 0, the output of the counter will change. This will toggle the presetting of the counter from thumb wheel 1 to thumb wheel 2, as well as red LED will vanish and the green LED will light up. At the same time, the counter will reset and once again start down counting from the preset value of thumb wheel 2. When it reaches 0, once again it will change and the cycle continues. Now let us see the part lift. Now let us see the parts required. PCB MK025, component side, quantity 1 number. Track side, IC1 CD4543 7 segment decoder, quantity 1 number with socket. IC2 CD4510 counter, quantity 1 number with socket. IC3 CD4017 decade counter, quantity 1 number with socket. IC4 IC5 CD4093 quad NAND gate, quantity 2 number with socket. IC6 CD4521 clock generator, quantity 1 number with socket. Display 1 LT542 common anode display, quantity 1 number. Thumb wheel 1, thumb wheel 2 BFD thumb wheels, quantity 2 number. Crystal 4.1943 MHz crystal, quantity 1 number. D1 to D8 1N4148 diode, quantity 8 number. LED 1 3 mm red LED, quantity 1 number. LED 2 3 mm green LED, quantity 1 number. C1 10 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic, quantity 1 number. C2 22 picofarad disc ceramic, quantity 1 number. C3 100 picofarad disc ceramic, quantity 1 number. R1 to R7 R13 R14 1K 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 9. R8 to R11 10K 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 4 number. R12 R15 100K 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 2 number. R16 2K2 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 1 number. R17 4.7 meg 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 1 number. MK025 digital traffic signal. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhofri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.